Hi, and welcome to this video, where we guide you to use the data in the 3D models to navigate and filter the objects. First, look at the icons in the top left corner. If you click on the project name, a window for the project workspace will open. Here you can see an overview of views, dashboards and notifications connected to this project. If you click on the name of the organization, a window will open to the organization workspace where you will get access to the projects within the organization. If you click on the compass icon, a window for My Workspace will open. Here you see projects, views and dashboards that you are involved in. Almost all objects contain metadata, which are property names and property values. Click on the top icon in the right ribbon to see properties on a 3D object. Be aware that some properties might be hidden. Show and hide properties is controlled by your project administrator. Contact them if a known property is not visible for you and you need it to be. If you click on a property value, you will see all objects that has the same value. Right-click on the screen and choose Show All Objects to view all objects again. If no object is chosen, you will see information from the models opened in the 3D view. The Display Filter button gives you the possibility to filter what you see in the 3D viewer. You can filter the model based on all the properties connected to the objects. You can click on multiple properties to see more than one object category at the same time. Using the Combine button, you can choose to filter all models based on the same properties, or you can choose to filter each open model based on specific individual properties. Click on the filter icon with the little cross to remove all filters. Sometimes you need a visual overview of the 3D objects and their properties. This you can get by clicking on the Colorize icon. Here you can color all objects in all open models based on one of the project properties. This gives you the opportunity to understand the model better and maybe use it for quality assurance. Just click on the property you would like to colorize by. Then each individual property value will get a unique color. Click on a value from the list to only see the object with this property value. Holding down the Shift key, you are able to see objects with different property values at the same time. Click on the color palette icon with the cross to remove colors from the model and bring it back to original colors. Your project admin can lock colors to specific values if you want to make sure that the color doesn't change if more property values are added to the project. In Vitis, you are able to create links. Not only links between drawings and objects. You can also add links to documents, other objects, 3D models, saved views or even other website. So when you click on an object, you can be guided directly to relevant information. To add a link, click on the icon saying Enabling Edit Mode. Then click on the link icon on that drawing or model you want to link to. For website, simply write the URL. When clicking on a link, the drawing or model will open in a split-screen view. Sometimes the informations or data you need is not implemented in the 3D model. It can be information like casting sequence numbers, zones, progress data or many other. In the custom data field, you are able to add your own properties and property values to an object. Not all user groups have editing rights to create custom data. Ask your project administrator. You can create as many custom data categories and custom data values as you want. To add custom data to an object, just mark the object and click on the little plus icon saying Add Selected. You can also use the dashboards to add data. This is shown in another video. When custom data is added to objects, they are now visible in the property viewer, and you can use these data as any other data for filtering, colorizing, and quantity takeouts. One of the most distinctive functionalities in Vitis is the dashboard module, where you can work with data, quantities, progress, and much more. But are you in for a quick and simple quantity takeout? You can use the quantity takeout functionality in the right ribbon. Here you can choose what the breakdown of the quantity takeout should be, in other words, what property value should divide your quantities. And then you choose what quantity you would like to see. You can export the quantity list to an Excel spreadsheet. The quantities can be listed in a combined list or split up by each individual open model. Click on the color palette icon to view the 3D objects with or without colors matching the quantity list. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the platform, be sure to check out our other videos and guide materials. There's plenty more to explore, and we're here to help you every step of the way.